आपकी ये कंप्लेंट खारिज हुई है।
Yes, my lord. That
अथॉरिटी ने क्या गलत कहा सर? अगर
my personal
मेरे
hearing
भाई
to the
प्लीज,
petitioner, my lord.
मैं समझ रहा हूँ।
Yes, my lord.
क्या वो स्टैट्यूटरी कंप्लेंट थी क्या?
But my lord, number
कर
two,
सकेगा ना?
कर सकेगा नंबर
सुनिए, जब उन्होंने प्रिलिमिनरी असेसमेंट में
आगे-
करना पड़ेगी, अगर लिखा होता तो हम मानते कि भैया कुछ भी आए आपको तो करना पड़ेगा।
to section.
जी सर।
My lord, the petitioner is aggrieved by the order dated 28/6/23, my lord, caused by the respondent number 2, annexure P5, my lord, whereby my lord, complaint filed by the petitioner against the respondent number 2 before the respondent number 2 was rejected, my lord. My lord,
सर आपकी ये कंप्लेंट खारिज हुई है।
yes, my lord.
ये कहते हुए या तो आप पिटीशन फाइल करो या
Yes, my
FIR
lord. Lost the FIR. But my lord,
कंप्लेंट क्या थी आपकी सर?
my lord, I have made the complaint against the respondent number 4, my lord, to the effect that the respondent number 4, by ignoring the fact that a private school, namely Gurukul Kanya Higher Secondary School, Semaria, district Seedhi, has been bring under the orbit and control of the local body, that is Jilla Panchayat, and merger of its eligible teacher oblique employees were deleted, and the names of eligible employees and teachers were added in the said merger in the local body employees and without doing fresh screening. As per the order of this Honorable Court in WP number 6024 of 2018, my lord, dated 22/3/18, annexure P1.
सर अभी भी आपने पिटीशन जो है मेन कॉज के खिलाफ नहीं लगाई है।
My lord,
आपने अभी भी कहा है कि अथॉरिटी के पास वापस भेजिए।
yes, my lord.
अथॉरिटी ने
But by
क्या
quashing that order, after quashing that order,
अथॉरिटी ने क्या गलत कहा सर? अगर
my lord, what my
मुझे थोड़ी सी चीज बताइए।
my lord, what my humble submission is that, my lord, without affording any opportunity or personal
मेरे
hearing
भाई
to the
प्लीज,
petitioner, my lord.
मैं समझ रहा हूँ।
Yes, my lord.
आपके क्या वो स्टैट्यूटरी कंप्लेंट थी क्या?
But my lord,
स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को
my
कहा?
lord, under the MP लोकायुक्त and उप लोकायुक्त अधिनियम, my lord,
हाँ।
may I read, my lord, section 7, my lord, हिंदी में है। इस अधिनियम के उपबंध के अध्याधीन शिकायत अथवा अन्य जानकारी प्राप्त होने पर लोकायुक्त किसी लोक सेवक के विरुद्ध किए गए अभिकथन के संबंध में, जिसके संबंध में मुख्यमंत्री सक्षम प्राधिकारी है, जांच कर सकेगा। नंबर
कर सकेगा ना?
कर सकेगा। नंबर
सुनिए, जब उन्होंने प्रिलिमिनरी असेसमेंट में पाया कि हमारे जुरिसडिक्शन का नहीं है तो क्या गलत है सर?
लॉर्डशिप आगे
करना पड़ेगी, अगर लिखा होता तो हम मानते कि भैया कुछ भी आए आपको तो करना पड़ेगा।
लॉर्डशिप सेक्शन 8 फर्दर में
बताएं।
विषय जांच के अध्याधीन न होना, लोकायुक्त या उप लोकायुक्त तो किसी मामले में जांच नहीं करेगा। ए, जिसके संबंध में औपचारिक जांच लोक सेवक जांच अधिनियम 1950 के अंतर्गत आदेशित की गई है। नंबर बी, जो जांच आयोग अधिनियम के अंतर्गत जांच के लिए संदर्भित की गई है। लोक सेवक के विरुद्ध ऐसे अभिकथन के संदर्भ में शिकायत को उस दिनांक से 5 वर्ष
भाई आप सुनो, आप 226 की पिटीशन फाइल करते हो, लेवनी में उड़ जाती है कि नहीं उड़ जाती कुछ?
दैट इज ट्रू।
आप ये कहो कि मेरी 226 की पिटीशन थी, अब उसको तो नोटिस करना ही पड़ेगा।
नहीं, ये मैं कोई नहीं
तो वैसे ही लोकायुक्त के लिए है, उनको लगता है ठीक है मेरे पास आया है, ये मुझे जांच करने की आवश्यकता महसूस नहीं होती है।
लॉर्डशिप, इन अ सिमिलर सेट ऑफ एविडेंस, माय लॉर्ड, कंप्लेंट वाज मेड अगेंस्ट द अनदर स्कूल, लॉर्डशिप, दैट इज।
साहब आपने वो पिटीशन डायरेक्टली, जैसे वो कह रहे थे, आपने वो रिलीफ क्लॉज क्यों नहीं डाला?
Lordship, but
आप क्यों चाहते हो?
by that order, they have advised me to lodge the FIR.
चलो ठीक है।
Or they have directed the aggrieved person to file the WP, Lordship. Lordship, by occupation, the present petitioner is an advocate, Lordship, and he is also a whistleblower. So, in that capacity, Lordship,
no problem,
Lordship.
सवाल इस बात का है कि जिस एक्शन को आप डायरेक्टली हाईकोर्ट में भी, या जो एब्जॉर्प्शन है,
yes,
उसको डायरेक्टली हाईकोर्ट में भी चैलेंज कर सकते थे, वो नहीं किया आपने। अभी भी आप यही कह रहे हैं कि लोकायुक्त ही करे।
I am only praying that at least after perusing the document, I have enclosed the document along with my complaint.
And after, if the लोकायुक्त was of the view कि नहीं भाई इसको तो हम नहीं करेंगे,
then matter comes to an end before the लोकायुक्त, Lordship. What my humble prayer is that
आपने फिर भी इस पिटीशन में वो कोई रिलीफ नहीं मांगी कि साहब ये एब्जॉर्प्शन गलत हुआ है।
Lordship, but I have narrated in my fact
Chalo,
and
ठीक.
ground class that absorption was illegal, Lordship.
Right, sir.
My para 5.2 of my fact laws, Lordship.
Right, sir.
Lordship. The respondent have not only made absorption in the state to the employees of Gurukul Higher Secondary School, Samaria, but those employees who were promoted and illegal salary have been paid to them,
हाँ.
which is mentioned
Sir.
in the aforesaid complaint.
ठीक है ना सर.
Lordship.
चलो सर, देखता हूँ सर.
Lordship. Lordship. Lordship, similar complaint was made against the Malvi school, Lordship. In that complaint, inquiry was conducted by the local youth. After inquiry, although the complaint was closed, but in my matter, Lordship,
वो तो उन्होंने देख लिया ना कि सब
हाँ.
फर्जी कंप्लेंटें आ रही हैं. वो जब देख लिए कि सब फर्जी कंप्लेंट आ रही, कोई भी आता है कंप्लेंट पकड़ा के चला जाता है और सब झूठी पाई जा रही है.
but Lordship, my humble prayer
साहब
is that
जिन टीचरों को एब्जॉर्ब नहीं किया गया उनको तो तकलीफ नहीं है, राइट? उन्हें तकलीफ नहीं, जिनको बाहर कर दिया गया उनको तकलीफ नहीं है.
but Lordship,
आप तो एडवोकेट है ना सर,
Lordship, on their
आपको क्या परेशानी हो
on
रही है?
their behalf, some will raise the voice.
ओके, तो स्पॉन्सर्ड पिटीशन है,
No, Lordship.
फिर अभी आप ऑन देयर बिहाफ कह रहे हो.
That is not, Lordship.
तभी तो आप ऑन देयर बिहाफ कह रहे हो.
But नहीं, documents वगैरह तो Lordship they will
मेरे भाई आप तो ये बताओ स्पॉन्सर्ड है,
नहीं.
फिर आपने कैसे कहा ऑन देयर बिहाफ?
नहीं बट लॉर्डशिप अगर वो आगे नहीं आए हैं और किसी की कंप्लेन है तो एटलीस्ट दे विल प्रोवाइड एन अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑफ पर्सनल हियरिंग लॉर्डशिप टू द
क्यों, किसको? जिस भाई साहब ये बताइए, एक किसी पिक्चर में एक सीन था सर, अमिताभ बच्चन का, चोट उसको लगी रहती है और वो पट्टी कांच पे लगाता है, हाँ ना?
हाँ वो पिक्चर.
तो जिसको चोट लगी वो तो आ नहीं रहे यार, जबरदस्ती आप पट्टी लगाए चले जा रहे हो. और फिर जब आपको कोई पर्सनल इंटरेस्ट नहीं तो ये पिटीशन इस नेचर में कैसे आ रही है? पीआईएल में क्यों नहीं लगाई है आपने? आप कह रहे हैं उनके बिहाफ के ऊपर आपने फाइल की, तब तो ये स्पॉन्सर्ड है.
नहीं
तब तो ये स्पॉन्सर्ड है. तो जब स्पॉन्सर्ड है तो जो एग्रीड आदमी वो खुद नहीं आना चाहता तो दिस इज अ गुड ग्राउंड.
नहीं, since we have challenged that impugned note sheet
8998/2024. Sorry sir.
Lordship.
This petition under Article 226 of Constitution of India has been filed seeking the following relief. It is submitted by counsel for petitioner that the petitioner had filed a complaint before Lokayuk against the respondent number 4, alleging that after the absorption of a private school in Jila Panchayat, eligible teachers / employees who are working in the private school were not absorbed, whereas ineligible employees or teachers were merged in the local body's employees without doing fresh screening as per the order of High Court in WP number 6024/2018. The said complaint has been rejected by Lokayuk by observing that the petitioner can approach the High Court or can file an FIR. And the Lokayuk organization found that the complaint is not worth consideration, and accordingly it was closed. Challenging the said order passed by the Lokayuk, it is submitted by counsel for petitioner that once the petitioner had made a complaint against the illegal merger of ineligible candidates at the cost by leaving aside the eligible candidates, then a Lokayuk must have conducted an inquiry. On an earlier occasion, a similar complaint was filed in respect of another school, which was ultimately found to be baseless by the Lokayuk. Once the Lokayuk can conduct an inquiry in a similar complaint, then why the Lokayuk has decided not to conduct the inquiry in the present case? Heard the learned counsel for. the petitioner. During the course of arguments, it was submitted by counsel for petitioner that petitioner is an advocate and is a whistleblower. Full stop. Since the basic grievance of the petitioner is against the merger of ineligible employees teachers in the local body by leaving aside the eligible employees of the private school. Therefore, it was submitted that this petition has been filed on behalf of the persons who have not been merged in the local body. Thus, it is clear that the petition is a sponsored petition. Faced with such a situation, it is submitted by counsel for the petitioner that the petition is not on behalf of the persons who have not been absorbed. Full stop. If that is so, then the petition in the present form is not maintainable, and the petitioner should have filed a petition in the nature of PIL. Furthermore, the petitioner has not challenged the non-absorption of the eligible, so-called eligible teachers oblique employees or absorption of so-called ineligible teachers or employees. Even those persons who, according to the petitioner, were not eligible have not been implicated as respondents. And even those persons who are eligible as per the assessment petitioner have not been implicated in the petition. What is the basis for claiming that ineligible persons have been merged at the cost of the eligible persons has not been clarified? Merely because the petitioner has made a vague and omnibus allegation, therefore this court is of considered opinion that the Lokayukta did not commit any mistake by dismissing the complaint at the very threshold. Furthermore, this court, in this petition, the petitioner has not challenged the absorption oblique non-absorption of teachers oblique employees. Full stop. There is no allegation of any corruption against the respondent number 4. Full stop. If a person has not been absorbed in spite of full qualification, then it will be a personal cause of action, and the said person should have approached this court for challenging his or her non-absorption, but that has not been done. A PIL in the service matter of the others by a stranger is not maintainable, as held by Supreme Court in the case of Gurpal Singh versus State of Punjab, 2005 SCC so and so. Considering the totality of the facts and circumstances of this case, this court is of considered opinion that no case is made out warranting interference. Petition fails and is hereby dismissed.
I'll